your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gonna hold it.
Hey, what's your baby? This is Barbie, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew, because it's the bougie way or no way, period. Today, I am back with another hair tutorial / wig install. I am wearing Nadula's hair. I think that's how you say it. And this is their 26-inch Brazilian straight wig. I think it's 180 density. It's like super thick, so I think it is 180. It's really full. You can tell it's full. Like, look at this. This is some really pretty hair. Like, this wig was easy to install. I did have to do a lot of plucking. I didn't do that much in the video. So yeah, like I said, it could use a little bit more plucking, but my arms be hurting. I ain't got time for that. So, and I put a hole in it, y'all. Look. And I did some natural looking baby hairs, I guess. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then continue watching. And the info on this wig will be in the description box below. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoy. So first, I'm just gonna go in with my powder foundation in the color Java and put it over the lace. Instead of bleaching the knots, this is the easier way for me. So this is what I do. You do what you do, okay? Right here, I'm just adjusting the wig to my head. I'm using my wax stick to move the baby hairs out of the way so I won't have any interruptions when laying the lace. Now I'm going to cut the lace, and then I'll be using my Bougie Barbie hair gel and my Got To Be Free spray to lay down the lace. So I'm just going to place it on my hairline, around my hairline, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer to basically blow dry the product until it is tacky, and then press the lace and the hair into the product. Now when I cut the front lace, I'm just cutting like in a zigzag motion, and I'm just following the hairline. That's all I'm doing. Now, as for all the parts that did not stick down, I'm just going in with my free spray and my blow dryer. So I felt like this piece right here that I'm about to cut off was too close to my face. So I just cut it off to basically scoot it back, if that makes sense. Now we're about to get this hairline together and do some plucking, because this right here is a no-no. So basically what I'm going to be doing to get this hairline to look a little bit more natural is I'm going to part like thin pieces of hair from the front and both sides, and I'm going to go in and do a lot of plucking. Then I'm going to go in with my powder foundation and put it on the lace so that way it'll look a little bit more natural and blend with my skin tone. And then right here, I'm just brushing out everything that I just plucked. Now I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs, and I will be using my Bougie Barbie hair mousse that is available for purchase. We have a few left. Right here I'm just going in and doing my middle part. I'm going to be taking my wax stick, which they are sold out right now, but I'll be having more soon. So I'll be taking my wax stick and my hot comb and laying my part flat. Right here, I'm just plucking it so it'll look a little bit more natural. And then you're gonna see me go in and use my brush to put some powder foundation on my parts, so that way it will blend with my skin. just gonna go in and flat iron the hair. This hair is super silky and straight, so you really don't have to do much. And after I get done flat ironing, I'm gonna give y'all some looks, of course. And that's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment and thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, bougie babes.